Come test drive this 2020 Honda HR-V. All of the following features are included: a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.